Tetris. 395 is a transition, immediate misdrop into 19. Not at all what she needs right now. Have a idea to burn that with the T, but that did not leave behind a good board. So Lapis is just going to extend this lead. And this is just such a awkward board for Easy. Just trying to turn this into a 3-6 and manages it, but immediately has to put a hole in the stack, and now is dependent on that long bar. It does come down for the Tetris. Lapis cleaning up some junk over here, but he is more than 250,000 points in the lead right now. Another Tetris for both players there. Good quick movements there from Lapis. Get those pieces over to the left. And sets up the Vits on 23. Will get it pulled off 2 pieces later. And follows it up with a Tetris and another. 361,000 point lead for Cryticalapis. That is absolutely insane. Granted, a lot of that has to do with the suffering that Easy has done this game. Lapis getting a little trouble here on 24. Needs a bar, among other things. We'll at least get the bar, so that'll make the rest of this pretty trivial to burn down. Other bar dependency, though. 2 of them now. Has to fill 1. Gets the other. And this is allowing Easy to catch up a little bit. She's already made up more than 100,000 points. 862 for Lapis, 633 for Easy. Lapis needs to get a bar here. And of course, that's when the drought kicks in. Lapis keep the board stable, though. Ooh, that's not a good placement. But what else could you do? That was not a good piece for that board. Oh, hang of the square. Tetris, though, 925. Lapis will stay alive. And he's still got a 220,000 point lead here, but is also 16 lines ahead. Bang down a Tetris, and we'll go into 29 at 965. Easy now suffering that drought that we saw a little earlier. Not terribly long, and she handled it all right. He is set up 2 rows off the bottom, looking for the bar. Where is the bar? Another drought. There's the bar for the Tetris. Max out for Lapis. Currently running on level 30. Another Tetris. Oh, Lapis' board falling apart. That's going to be it for Lapis. Lapis is done. So, Easy, you are in a chase down. You need a 54. That's 1,054,000. And now, not going to try for the 10 left, and that's going to do it. Lapis is going to take game number 1 by quite a margin there.